Hello guys, how are you all doing today? So whilst we are trying to admire this beautiful dessert setup, I like you all to understand a few things that has kept me going in the past 9 years in this industry. First of all is how I always appear with my staff or whoever it is that is representing me in any setup. They always need to look very neat and clean and representable. And the next up is the painstaking effort that is put at every event, trying to arrange everything and make sure it is so appealing to the eyesight even before they get to taste it. So for me, that is the game changer, because I always believe that you eat first with your eyes before you taste, right? So for me, all of this have made me understand that in over 9 years that I can only get better at my craft and only try the best I can to be better than my previous event, because I know that I'm not perfect. I can only try to be better. I always try the best I can to on the promise and over deliver. Thanks for watching.